This is the Hmong women in Georgia for the Hmong women Alliance Resorts, the sport tournament. Right here is the cornhole.
We need a point right now. I got it now. I don't know where that push didn't go with. What five?
Linh Dân nó auto này, nó kinh đó auto bé.
Oh, good bet.
Cái này thì phải học bài sáng đồ, bài sai lệ chọn đồng bản này. Yeah, stop player.
You're King CN. King C, man.
What do you mean? Oh, you selling that
No,
for
King C,
$20,
man.
one
I
for
had-
five, raffle.
Oh, I said King C.
Oh, these are good
They had
bets.
to pay everything. Come back and stay.
Everybody's already on their second game.
Yeah, except us. We're the last one.
No, pasar le dando un balance, si no. Yeah, no, it's April 27th. The Hmong Georgia Women Alliance Resource Group, it's hosting a sport tournament. So they don't have soccer. All the soccer is, most likely soccer is dying. So it's only volleyball and cornhole right now. Up here is the volleyball. Blue court no, yeah, court B.
If I throw a spike, man, I'm yelling at you. Oh, let's go. I'm yelling at you. There's ants. There's no spike. Ants I can do spike at you. Looks like it's in this movie.
Sure. Oh, we gotta go to court A, see how they play over there as well. So court A is the team that, a little bit more better. Court B is the more mature team. But A and B also can go to a championship for first place.
Stay first, stay first. Then you rotate after.
No, we take a break.
So this is a short video of the Hmong Alliance Women Sport Tournament. Okay, stay tuned. I will upload part 2 later when they are more into the finals. Okay.